Darya Khan, a name that whispers tales of history and tranquility. It is a captivating small city, a place where time seems to slow down. Located in Pakistan's Punjab province, a land known for its vibrant culture and agricultural richness, nestled peacefully on the eastern bank of the mighty Indus River, a lifeline of the region. The river dictates the landscape, carving its path through the heart of the province, and the lives, the very existence of its people, connecting them to the natural world. It offers breathtaking sunsets, painting the sky in hues of orange and gold, and a profound sense of tranquility, a balm for the soul. As a tehsil headquarters, a center of local governance, Darya Khan functions as an administrative hub, a focal point for the surrounding villages, providing essential services and support. The town's story is one of a testament to resilience, overcoming challenges with unwavering spirit, culture, rich traditions passed down through generations, and breathtaking natural beauty, a feast for the eyes. Agriculture thrives here, flourishing under the sun thanks to the fertile soil, rich and abundant, enriched and nourished by the Indus. Life moves, unfolds to the rhythm of nature, a gentle, predictable pace, planting, nurturing new life, harvest, reaping the rewards of hard work, and vibrant festivals, celebrating life and community. The people are known, recognized, for their warmth, their genuine kindness and heartfelt hospitality, a welcoming embrace, welcoming visitors with open hearts, sharing their culture and traditions. Darya Khan is a place, an oasis, to escape the noise, the chaos of big cities, a world away from the hustle and bustle, where peace can be found, easily discovered by the riverbanks, listening to the gentle flow of water and in lush green fields surrounded by nature's bounty. The air is cleaner, fresher, the stars brighter, illuminating the night sky, and the connection, the bond to the land is deep, a heritage passed down through generations. Simplicity, a way of life and tradition, the heart of the community, define the community, shaping its identity, rooted in history, a rich and fascinating past, and the ancient river, a witness to countless stories. More than just a dot on the map, a place marker, Darya Khan is a hidden gem, a treasure waiting to be discovered, waiting to share its gentle glow, its warmth and beauty. It's a place, a sanctuary that truly nourishes, sustains the soul, leaving you refreshed and renewed. The Indus River, a majestic waterway, is the very heart and lifeblood of Darya Khan. It courses through the land, bringing sustenance and prosperity to all it touches. Its precious waters are the key to making the land fertile, breathing life into the soil and sustaining generations of dedicated farmers. The river's influence is undeniable, profoundly shaping the region's agricultural identity and defining its very essence. An intricate network of canals and carefully designed water channels diligently carry the river's bounty to the waiting fields. This ingenious system ensures that crops can flourish and thrive even during the driest of times, providing a reliable source of irrigation. Sugarcane, wheat, cotton and rice thrive in this fertile environment, each crop a testament to the river's generosity and the unwavering hard work and dedication of the local farmers who tend to them with care. The ebb and flow of the Indus dictates the rhythm of planting and harvest cycles, its seasonal moods and variations influencing every aspect of life in this agricultural community, from daily routines to long-term planning. But the bounty doesn't stop there. Beyond the staple crops, farmers also cultivate fodder for livestock, a wide variety of fresh vegetables and an abundance of fruits, including the juicy and delicious mangoes that ripen under the summer sun, all of which find their way to the bustling local markets. The river's abundance extends beyond mere sustenance, supporting not just agriculture, but also nurturing a vibrant and diverse local food culture, rich with flavors and traditions passed down through generations. From above, Darya Khan's fields appear as a stunning patchwork of green and gold, a true breadbasket for the entire region, providing nourishment and sustenance to countless communities. The remarkable partnership between the forces of nature and the diligent efforts of humankind is clearly visible everywhere you look, a testament to the harmonious relationship between the land and its people. The mighty Indus, with its life-giving waters, ensures a continuous cycle of growth, renewal and enduring prosperity for the people of Darya Khan, promising a bright future for generations to come. It's a true and powerful testament to the enduring and unwavering power of the river, a force that shapes lives, sustains communities, and defines the very landscape. The remarkable abundance and prosperity of Darya Khan flows directly and undeniably from these ancient and life-giving waters, a timeless source of sustenance and a symbol of hope for the future. Darya Khan isn't just about farms and cultivated lands, it holds a diverse and vibrant ecosystem waiting to be discovered. Its riverine forests, lush and teeming with life, form a crucial part of this ecological tapestry. And diverse plant life, a rich collection of species adapted to this unique environment, adds significantly to the region's natural beauty, painting a picturesque scene that captivates the senses. These green spaces, pockets of wilderness amidst the cultivated landscape, often found flourishing along the Indus, benefit from the river's life-giving waters. They provide vital habitats serving as sanctuaries for a variety of creatures. These habitats are especially important for birds and animals, offering shelter and sustenance. They also play a crucial role in helping maintain ecological balance, ensuring the health of the entire ecosystem. Riverine forests are uniquely adapted to withstand periodic flooding, a testament to nature's resilience. Their roots, strong and deep, holding the riverbanks together, acting as a natural defense against the forces of erosion. This natural barrier is essential in preventing erosion, safeguarding the land and its resources. Trees like Kikar, Acacia nilotica, with its distinctive form, Shisham, Dalbergia sisu, known for its valuable timber, and eucalyptus with its rapid growth, are common sights in the landscape. They offer shade, a welcome respite from the sun's intensity, and provide valuable resources for the community, supporting their livelihoods. Shrubs such as prosopis, hardy and resilient, thrive in the semi-arid environment, showcasing nature's ability to adapt. These plants are vital in contributing to the unique landscape, shaping its character and identity. Many plants have traditional uses passed down through generations in both medicine and crafts, highlighting the deep connection between people and nature. This connection is vital, connecting people to nature's resilience, inspiring respect and appreciation for the natural world. After the monsoon, when the rains have nourished the land, grasses and wildflowers, dormant for months, burst into life, painting the landscape with vibrant colors. This transformation is truly remarkable, transforming the scenery into a breathtaking spectacle. The flora changes with the seasons, adapting to the rhythms of nature, each bringing its own unique beauty, a constant reminder of nature's artistry. Exploring these forests, venturing into the heart of nature, offers a peaceful escape, a chance to reconnect with the natural world. It also provides a glimpse, a window into the wonders of the natural world, into the adaptability of nature, showcasing its remarkable ability to thrive in challenging conditions. These green patches are vital for the health of the ecosystem, for the environment, providing crucial services that benefit all living things. They are also essential for local well-being, supporting communities and their way of life. Darya Khan's plant life, a treasure trove of biodiversity, is a living testament, a symbol of nature's enduring power. It is a testament to survival, to the ability of life to persist even in the face of adversity. It is also a testament to harmony with the river, a delicate balance between water and life. Nature's quiet strength, its unwavering presence, is always present here, a constant source of wonder and inspiration. Darya Khan's climate swings between extremes. Scorching summers from May to August and chilly winters in December and January. Summer days are intense, but evenings bring relief with gentle breezes. Winters are crisp and misty, perfect for cozy gatherings and warm drinks. The monsoon from July to September brings much-needed rain, transforming the landscape into lush green. However, heavy rains can cause flooding near the Indus, reminding everyone of nature's power. The best time to visit, October to March, when the weather is mild and pleasant, days are sunny, nights are cool, and outdoor exploration is a joy. This season avoids the harsh heat and the disruptions of monsoon. You'll experience Darya Khan's charm at its best. Clear air, vibrant fields, and welcoming communities. Plan your trip for these cooler months to truly enjoy all the region has to offer. It's the perfect window to discover this hidden gem. Agriculture is the heartbeat of Darya Khan's economy, with fertile plains nourished by the Indus. Sugarcane, wheat and cotton aren't just crops. their livelihoods, passed down through generations. The agricultural cycle shapes daily life, from sowing to harvest celebrations. Sugar production is a major industry, with local mills processing cane and providing jobs. The sweet scent of sugarcane fills the air during the busy crushing season. Fishing in the Indus adds fresh protein to local diets and supports small-scale livelihoods. The river's gifts are diverse, sustaining both food and industry. There's also potential for oil and gas exploration, though development must balance economic growth with environmental protection. The land holds visible and hidden treasures, from crops to possible energy resources. Darya Khan's future depends on wise management of these assets. Its prosperity is rooted in both tradition and careful progress. Darya Khan's history is woven with the Indus River, its name meaning Lord of the River. Local legends speak of chieftains and leaders who shaped the area's identity. The town's railway station, built during the British Raj, is a colonial-era landmark. It connected Darya Khan to the wider subcontinent, fueling trade and growth. The station's classic architecture recalls a bygone era of steam trains and bustling markets. It played a crucial role in transporting crops and goods, making the town a regional hub. Even today, the railway station is a vital link, both to the past and the present. It stands as a symbol of Darya Khan's enduring connection to history and progress. Darya Khan's culture is a vibrant blend of Punjabi and Saraiki traditions. The Saraiki language fills the air, while Urdu connects the town to the rest of Pakistan. Hospitality is a hallmark. Guests are welcomed with warmth and respect. Festivals like Eid are celebrated with joy, family gatherings, and delicious food. Folk festivals feature music, dance, and traditional cuisine, keeping heritage alive. The food is hearty and fresh: wheat bread, lentils, vegetable curries, and flavorful meat dishes. Dairy products like yogurt and lassi, plus sweets such as jalebi and gulab jamun, are local favorites. Seasonal fruits, especially mangoes, add zest to meals and celebrations. Every meal tells a story of the land, tradition, and community spirit. Education is valued in Darya Khan, with schools and colleges serving both town and nearby villages. Government and private schools are centers for learning and community development. Fazal City, a modern housing scheme, reflects the town's growth and aspirations. The Indus River offers scenic spots for relaxation. Locals gather by the water to enjoy cool breezes and sunsets. Picnics and quiet moments by the river connect people to nature's rhythm. Local markets bustle with fresh produce, crafts, and daily goods, serving as social hubs. Life here is unhurried, friendly, and deeply connected to tradition. The peaceful environment, clear night skies, and birdsong are cherished by all. Darya Khan balances progress with its rich heritage. It's a place where community, nature, and tradition thrive together. Getting to Darya Khan is easy. Road and rail connect it to major cities like Lahore, Islamabad, and Karachi. The railway station is a key gateway, while nearby airports in Multan or Faisalabad offer access for air travelers. Plan your route in advance for a smooth journey. As a visitor, respect local culture. Dress modestly, ask before taking photos, and learn a few Saraiki or Urdu phrases. Support local businesses by buying crafts and produce. Your contribution matters. Be mindful of the environment. Keep the area clean and beautiful. The best time to visit is October to March, when the weather is perfect for exploring. Darya Khan offers authentic rural Pakistani culture, a slower pace and genuine hospitality. Discover the town's unique charm, shaped by the Indus and its people. Visit with an open heart and you'll leave with unforgettable memories.